What's up, Beanieverse? So, for today's video, magre-react po tayo sa Cherry on Top by Beanie sa Wish USA Boss. So, it was out last week and today's the day na i-react po natin because this song is very interesting for me kasi it has a very fast tempo and then medyo yung delivery nito medyo technical. Okay? So, I am very curious about how they deliver this song live. So, pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe dito, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, so let's jump right into the video. Dito na tayo agad. Let's go. Daming tao
Wish 1075.
My presence is a present. Oh yeah. Talking French, I keep you guessing. Oh la la. Know you got a little candy crush. Can't get my kiss, you never get enough. Every day celebrate you with me. Every day it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah. If you want it sweet, the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up.
Alam mo talagang main dancer si Sheena, no? Kasi nung pagbagsak ng chorus, talaga papapapak. Meron talaga yung pitik eh, 'di ba? Mapapasaya ka talaga. It's the same with SB19. Every time I react to SB19 performing on Wish. No, parang nakukulangan ako. It's because parang nakukulangan ako sa sayaw, no? Kasi vocal wise, no, kagaya ng Beanie, no. Ang galing nila. Actually, parang napawawa ko doon sa pag-start, no, na parang very very din malinis, no, yung delivery, no. Ang sa akin lang is mahahalata mo talaga na parang gustong-gusto nilang sumayaw. 'Di ba? Parang si Sarah Ronnie mo lang. Actually, ngayon ko lang parang na klaro yung boses ni Colette. Kaya pala maraming nagagalingan kay Colette. Ito ba yung Maloy? Ito ba si Maloy? Para siyang Korean. Ay, hindi ata yun si Maloy. Si Maloy ata yung nasa likod. Aya. Kilala ko si Aya, it's because kanina nanonood ako ng yung interview na kay Melay sa yung Bisaya show nila. Joanne. Siya talaga yung bias ko sa vocals. Ito, si Joanne ba, di ba? Tapos bias ko din sa sayaw. Ito. Sila daw. Kasi lead vocals naman to, tapos lead dancer. Obviously. Obviously. Ito si Maloy, di ba? Ito si Maloy, Ayan. Yan si Maloy. Nakalimutan ko pangalan na ito, kay Aya palang part. Alam nyo, saan ko narinig yung Cherry on Top? Kasi pag nag-workout ako, nagsa-Spotify ako, tapos minsan yung my workout playlist ko, parang hindi na siya tumatalab, no? Hindi na siya tumatalab yung hype ng mga songs doon. So, pumupunta ako sa Top Hits or Top Hits Philippines, okay? Tapos, yung nakita ko yung Cherry on Top, no? Tapos kiniklik ko kasi nakikita ko sa Facebook, no. Uy, pakinggan niyo yung ano. Tapos na-curious ako. Tapos ayun. Naging ano siya. Naging kabilang na siya sa mga workout songs na nasa playlist ko.
On Wish
There's no going back, no, once you
107.5.
try. If you want it sweet, get the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Tell me you're repeat, what you love around me. Sticky, sticky,
Mataas pala yung range ni ano, ni Maloy, no?
frosty as it can be. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. Cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY. Good
Ooh.
ingredients are hard to find.
Oh, I love the ending. Gusto ko yung succession nila. I love it. Ulitin nga natin. That was smooth. Ang smooth naman nun. Ulitin natin, ha. CHERRY. Tama ba? Cherry. ONTOP. Ulitin natin.
Cherry on top, cherry on
Ito.
top.
RRY.
Good
Ay,
ingredients
di pa.
are hard to find.
Hey, I love it. That was so smooth and sassy and beautiful. Nice. O, diba? At least ngayon, alam ko na they also do good sa talaga sa live, no? Kasi marami kasi mga artist na magaling lang talaga sa studio and marketable sila, gwapo, magaganda, may charisma, but pag pina-perform mo sa live, talagang medyo simple lang, no? Kaya hindi ako bumibilib sa mga artist na ganun. Okay? Kasi nga ako, musikero kasi ako, no? Tapos, I do focus more on the talent, skill, rather than the marketability ng isang artist, no? Marami kasi na talented, skillful, talagang skill-wise magagaling, but hindi lang sila marketable. Yan din kasi yung downside in terms sa business kasi nga, pag hindi ka marketable, hindi ka talaga kukunin, no? So, that's what. Pero, as a musikero, doon pa rin ako sa may talent tsaka tas yung Bini naman, lahat naman sila marketable. Naman sila, may charisma sila, no? May sila, may sassiness sila na talagang it pulls you in sa kanilang performance, and meron din naman silang talent, sing and dance. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy pa at mag-improve pa more pa, no? Kasi alam ko magpi-peak pa tong Bini. Hindi pa to peak ng Bini. Okay? Bini pala. So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. So please do subscribe and follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So that's it. So peace out everybody. God bless you all.